Is your wardrobe feeling a bit lackluster? Today, we're stepping into the world of wooden wardrobe and cupboard ideas that will revolutionize your storage game. From classic armoires to modern sliding door wardrobes, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a storage solution that's as chic as it is functional. Whether you're into rustic charm or sleek minimalism, we've got the inspiration you need to organize your space in style. Stick around for a journey through the art of wardrobe and cupboard design. Don't just store your clothes, make a statement. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a storage adventure together. Your dream wardrobe is just a click away.
Elevate your storage solutions with these wooden cupboards and wardrobe ideas. Classic armoire. Choose a timeless armoire with the intricate detailing and ample storage for a touch of elegance. Built-in wardrobe. Maximize space with a built-in wooden wardrobe that seamlessly blends with the room's architecture. Sliding door wardrobe. Option for a modern and space-efficient sliding door wardrobe, perfect for contemporary interiors. A rustic wooden cupboard. Embrace a cozy and natural feel with the rustic wooden cupboard featuring distressed finishes and antique hardware. Open shelving wardrobe. Display your wardrobe items with open shelving, adding a touch of accessibility and showcasing your style. Walk-in closet with wooden shelving. Create a luxurious walk-in closet with wooden shelves for a customized and organized storage solution. Mirrored wardrobe doors. Enhance the functionality of your wardrobe with mirrored doors, adding depth and doubling as a full-length mirror. Freestanding wooden cupboard. Introduce flexibility with the freestanding wooden cupboard that can be moved around to adapt to changing room layouts. Modern minimalist wardrobe. Option for clean-lined and minimalist design for a modern wardrobe that complements contemporary interiors. Bespoke wooden wardrobe. Invest in a bespoke wooden wardrobe tailored to your specific needs and style preferences. Vintage-inspired cupboards. Infuse character into your space with a vintage-inspired wooden cupboard featuring unique detailing and hardware. Corner wardrobe. Maximize space utilization in your room with the corner wardrobe fitting seamlessly into tight spaces. Wooden wardrobe with drawers. Combine hanging space with drawers for a versatile wardrobe that accommodates different storage needs. Mix of open and closed storage. Achieve a balanced look by incorporating a mix of open shelves and closed cabinets for a dynamic storage solution. Floating wooden shelves. Install floating wooden shelves for a minimalist and modern display of your wardrobe essentials. Consider the available space, your organizational needs, and the overall aesthetic of your room when choosing a wooden cupboard or wardrobe. These ideas offer a range of styles to suit various preferences. There, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button